In this video, we're going to go over some of the normal fault codes that people typically experience with this type of joystick. A fault code, just for an example, will be all of your lights will flash. They're not scrolling, they're flashing. And however many times it flashes will give a certain fault code. If you only have a one flash, which typically is only one red light that's going to be lit up flashing, that means your batteries need charging. One flash is batteries need to be charged. If you have all the lights flash 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all come from your motors. It's typically saying either your motor is unplugged or you have a short in your motor. Now you can ohm the motors out. They need to ohm out between 0.5 to 1.5 ohms, and the brake resistance needs to be between 45 to 65, and that's how you'll know if your motor is good or not. The next flash code would be a 7 flash code. If all these lights on this joystick flash 7 times, you burn the circuit board on this joystick. It either got wet, it got hit, or just somehow it fried. If it flashes 8 times, it's a bad brain box. Your brain box is what your joystick, your left and right motors, and your batteries all plug into. It's like your brains of the unit. If that is bad, you will get an 8 flash code. The most common flash code most people get is 9. And what that is I'm going to show you what it looks like, what 9 looks like. I'm going to disengage one of the motors. I'm going to take it out of gear and put it into neutral. And you'll see how that unit, the joystick, starts to flash. It's going to flash 9 times. That's very common for people because what happens is a lot of times the batteries die and they need to push the unit around, and so they don't ever remember to put it back into gear. A lot of times people think putting something in neutral is like you got to drive it, get the brakes unlocked, almost like in a car taking it out of park, but that is not the case. You have to have it drived in the lock mode so your electromagnetic brakes are working. Whenever you make any change to a unit, whether it's unplugging a motor, disengaging the wheel, you always have to reset the unit or it will continue to give you a fault code. So once you turn the power off and turn it back on, if everything is how it should be, you'll have lights steadied out and then you're able to go ahead and drive.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.